All right, I just had a couple of bites. I actually don't like filming myself eating, just a thing.
It's really good, this mung bean pancake. So good. Yeah. It's not bad actually. A little kick to a little spice. It tastes like a sponge cake. Yeah. Almonds, rice. Pretty good.
It's interesting. Let's see how this amazing pudding is.
I really like this tuna sushi. It's good. It is amazing. I can't confirm the amazing pudding is amazing at Kura.
This is like a ham, cheese, onion sandwich thing. Not bad. Here's the quiche. Let's see how this is. Not too heavy, kind of light. I approve.